Good morning, class. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your Chromebook and you're going to go to Rapid Identity. From here, you're going to go ahead and choose Adobe Express. Okay, from Adobe Express, you're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and where it says Your Stuff, you're going to go ahead and click on that. All right, here you have Your Stuff. Now, over here to the right side, you're going to see a category that says Yours. You're going to select where it says Yours, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Recent. When you do that, you're going to see all your projects on there. The last project that you have right now is your web page portfolio. It should have your name and portfolio. You have your matrix design. And if you scroll down, you also have your first project. Now, the one we're going to open is we're going to open your web page that we created. All right, this is one of my students' examples that we just did this morning. He was gracious enough to share. So here we have his first name and last name with an apostrophe, and we have portfolio with the full title. This is my digital portfolio for class projects. The top should also have the same title as we do here on your web page. Now, what we added to the web page at the bottom is you'll see his first project. Then we went ahead and added the matrix project. To do this, right at the bottom of your title, you're going to see an option over here that has a plus sign. I'll go ahead and zoom in on that. You'll see a little plus sign over here. You're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign, and you'll see a few options. The option that you're going to choose is Your Stuff, because you already have the files. You're going to go ahead and choose Your Stuff. And I will go ahead and go to the left side. You're going to go ahead and go scroll where it says Yours, and choose the one that says Recent on there. All right, once you choose Recent, you will see your projects on the side. You're going to first choose your first project, and you're going to select it. Your first project should have 3. For some reason, my student's second one is not working. He's going to go ahead and fix that. But everything else, you should have all 3. To select them all, you're going to go ahead and click on this button, Select All. And you're going to click on the button that says Add Images. So go ahead and click on this. Now he already did, so this is what's going to be. It's going to add his pictures on there. When you're finished, you're going to do one more. You're going to click on the plus button and you're going to click on Your Stuff. One more time, you're going to go over here to the left side, and now you're going to choose your last project. Select it. All right. Now you're going to go ahead and add this image onto your project. You're going to click on that. He already has it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click out, but you will click on this. And now you'll see that his image is added on there. All right, last thing you're going to need to do is, let's go ahead and preview what it looks like. This is your web page. So after all, you need a preview. You're going to click on the eye. And when people open your web page, this is what they will see. When they scroll down, it looks really nice and really elegant to have all your projects there. All right, I'm going to click on X over here. And the last part today is you're going to share your work. So over here at the very top to the right, you're going to click on the share button. You're going to go to the first one that says invite collaborators. All right, and then over here where it says add people, you're going to go ahead and type in my name. You can go ahead and also do my email. So we're going to do ADOMING2. Once you start putting in my email, you'll notice over here that it says my name and it'll have my email. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Make sure it says can edit. Give me a little message as well too. Put in your name or just type in Happy Halloween. And when you're finished, click on the blue button to send the invitation to me. And that's it. And you're finished with your project, your web page for today. This has everything needed to start the year off with a web page and have all your photography and projects.